Hi guys, finally got my Nikon 180-600. So let's quickly unbox and see what all we got. Some paperwork. So this is your lens hood. Yes, this is the Nikon cover and the lens hood. You can just keep it here. So we have here it comes. Wow. Nikon 180-600. Is there in this cover? Okay, we have a lens cover. Nikon. This is the lens hood. Let's fix the lens hood and see. It's a new lens hood with an auto lock. Wow, I think so. It's an ultimate beauty. Weight compared to your 200-500 is very less. It's very lightweight. So let's open the seal. Yeah, you can see here you have focus, autofocus or manual, and you have the focal length adjustment, that is full or infinity to 6 meters. These are the only two manual buttons you have here, and of course you have a function 1, 2, 3. And 4 function buttons. Yes, this is Nikon. Yeah, I hope so you can see it. 180-600. So very quickly, let me grab my Z9 and see how it looks on it. Okay, so quickly got my Z9. So we're going to try this on my Z9 now. So here we have the 2 dots. Hola. So this is how it looks. And yes, so this is my final setup. I have a Nikon Z6 mounted with Tamron 7200 f2.8 with f2Z adapter. So I have not changed anything in this setup since 7200 is a bit costlier in Z mount lenses. So this is my basic setup, and of course after that we have a big monster setup here, my Nikon Z9 with brand new 180-600. Okay, so guys, I have updated for the firmware 4.10, which has given me the new AF system to track birds and airplanes separately. So stay tuned for further video where I'll be testing out Nikon Z9 with my new brand 180-600 F5.6-6.3. Thank you.